my name is Sasa, and welcome to my channel. I make cooking, sewing, and cosplay related videos. I had a part-time job at a restaurant where I learned some cooking stuff from the head chef. I've been a vegetarian for many years, and with vegetarian cooking, there's a lot of mushrooms. I've always disliked mushrooms. I just don't like the taste and the texture, mainly the taste and the smell. As a kid, my mom cooked with a lot of donggu, which is a Chinese type of mushroom, and it smells really bad and I hated the taste. I just really disliked it. The recipe amounts are more of a guideline, so you can modify it depending on your taste. For me, I really like a lot of garlic, so I have a bit more garlic. I am slowly trying to eat more mushrooms because I know it's good for me. So my fry pan is a little bit small for the quantity that I'm making. I was just too lazy to do it in 2 batches. But if you have a larger fry pan, it has more space for them to cook and heat evenly. Onions are great for cooking. They give a lot of flavor to the other ingredients. It's important to let the onions cook first. That way the flavor comes off. If you put everything at the same time, the taste won't be the same. If the pan looks a bit dry, don't worry, you don't need to add more oil or water because the mushrooms contain a lot of water. Covering with a lid helps it steam and cook faster. But if you have a larger fry pan, you probably don't need to do this. You can use salted or unsalted butter. You just may need to adjust your salt quantity if you use salted butter. I freshly ground some black pepper. Once I start adding the salt, I normally taste as I go along and I adjust the flavor. There are many ways to serve this. I like to put it on toast for tea time. I have more videos for vegetarian tea party sandwiches. Please check it out on my channel. If you try it out, let me know how it tastes. If my videos and tutorials helped you create something, please tag me. I would love to see your work. Please check out my channel for playlists on cooking, sewing, cosplay, and other tutorials. You can support me by buying me an online coffee, which is a donation of increments by $3, or you can buy anything from my Etsy shop. It's all handmade by me. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much. I hope you have fun with your projects. Bye bye!